Hello children, and so we meet again for our EVS2 class. So children, how are you all? I hope you all are very good and also taking good care of yourself, and the most important thing, you are studying for your half-yearly exams. Okay, your half-yearly exams are going to start from 3rd of October, and so children, I hope you all are studying hard for your exams, and each and every subject you are paying equal attention. Okay, so children, I welcome you all to the EVS2 class. What is today's date? Today's date is 24th of September. Okay, so what we'll do today, children, since we have finished our course, I have uploaded the answers, question answers of all the lessons from lesson 1 to lesson 6 in the Google Classroom. Okay, lesson 1 to lesson 4 we have completed before. Lesson 1, 2, 3 we have completed in the PT1 itself. Then 4, 5, 6 we have finished after PT1. So children, I have uploaded the question answers of lesson number 6 also in the Google Classroom. I know you all have taken, you have seen that and you have written it in your workbook. So we finished our course. Now what we'll do a revision. Okay, and we'll do revision of lesson number 2, that is our earth. Okay, we'll do a quick revision of lesson number 2, and children, let's move with lesson number 2. This before we have done before PT1. Okay, and it was included in your PT1 exam. So children, let's do a quick revision of the important topics. So I hope you all take out the EVS2 textbook and be ready with your lesson. That is lesson number 2, our earth. We'll know about the earth, about the various facts of the earth. About the various facts of the earth we'll come to know. Okay. So children, let's move to our lesson, that is our earth. Okay. So this is our lesson number 2, our earth. And again we have first topic, we have the shape and movements of the earth. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is oblate sphere, not sphere also, but a totally different type of shape, that is oblate sphere. Why oblate sphere? Because it's from the top it is flat and in the middle it's bulging. From the top it is flat and in the middle it's bulging. And here you can see a picture is being shown of the earth, that is the oblate sphere. It's the picture of the oblate sphere. The shape of the earth is an oblate sphere. And also, what are the movements of the earth? The two important movements of the earth. Okay, and what are the two important movements of the earth? They are rotation and revolution. They are the two important movements of the earth. And what is rotation? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and rotation causes day and night. Then we have revolution. What is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, around the sun it has a fixed path. And what is the shape of the fixed path that the earth takes to revolve around the sun? It is elliptical in shape. Okay, the shape is like this. It is in the first page itself. It is like this, elliptical in shape. So children, due to revolution we have change of seasons, and the earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to go around the sun. Next children, we have about understanding the shape of the earth. Okay, how in ancient times people, what they believed about the shape of the earth. First, the people, they believed that the earth was flat, and that if they continued sailing in one direction, what will happen? They fall off the edge of the earth. A picture is also shown, children, in your textbook only. On the right hand side you can see a picture of a ship falling down from the edge of the earth. But children, is it possible? Is the earth flat? No, it's not flat. It's oblate sphere. So children, who was the first person to say that the earth was sphere? It was the Greek philosopher Plato. Okay, and he had no evidence. He didn't have any proof. It was his disciple, his student Aristotle. He gathered evidence. He watched the movement and positions of the stars, of the different stars which are present in the sky, and then he concluded that the earth was not flat but it had a curved surface. But he didn't tell also that the earth was totally round or sphere or oblate sphere. He only told that the earth had a curved surface. Then in the 16th century, okay, recently, only 400 or 500 years back, it was the explorer Ferdinand Magellan. And what did he tell? He said that, you all know, in the first lesson here you have studied about Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, he was the explorer who took the journey through the whole earth. He journeyed through the whole earth, and what was his evidence to prove that the earth was sphere? He started from one direction, from one point, and he started moving in one direction only. He started moving in west, towards west. He didn't go from the west, he didn't go toward east, neither did he go north or south. He just continued moving towards west and west and west and west, and after many days he arrived at the same point. So this proved that the earth was sphere, curved surface. It was round, and it confirmed that the earth is round in shape. Now next topic, we have the diameter of the earth. Okay, what is the total length of the earth from top to bottom? The length of the earth is what? 12713 kilometer, and in the middle it is 12756. Why that from top to bottom is shorter than the middle? Okay, because at top it is compressed. Okay, it is compressed, it's flat, and in the middle it's bulging. That's why from top to bottom it is 12713 kilometer, and in the middle, because it's bulging, the space is more. That's why the kilometer is 12756 kilometer. Okay, children. So now children will move to the next topic, which is what are the evidence. Okay, nowadays how are the various proofs through which scientists have proved that the earth is not curved, it is not flat, sorry, but it is an oblate sphere. And these are the various proofs. First, from the earth's surface. Now we can use binoculars to observe ships that appear to sink below the horizon. As they sail away from us, they go across the curve of the earth's surface. Now from the earth's surface, if we stand on a beach and if a ship is sailing, going away from us, if through the help of the binocular we look at the ship, what will be there? It occurs as if the ship is sinking below. Okay, and through it proves that the earth is curved in shape. Now at one go the ship will not disappear. Okay, if the earth would have been flat, the ship would have fallen off and disappeared at one instance only. But slowly the parts of the ship will disappear. Okay, at first the deck will disappear, then the mast of the ship will disappear. So slowly, part by part, you will see the ship sinking below, and this is because of the oblate sphere. Then from a great height also. Okay, if you see the earth from a great height, if you see the earth from a satellite or from a space station, all the countries have space stations in spaces. Okay, now India has space station. What the name of the space station is? International Space Station, and it orbits the earth. It's an artificial satellite, and it orbits the earth at a distance of about 400 kilometer. At a distance of about 400 kilometer, it orbits the earth, and it shows. Okay, it shows. This is the picture which is taken from the space station, and this shows that the earth is curved. You can see the curved surface. Okay, this is the curved surface, and it's not, the space station is not very much far away from us. It's only 400 kilometer, and from 400 kilometer this can be seen. This curved surface of the earth can be seen. Then lastly we have what is the proof from space. Okay, if we go to space, if we go to moon, okay, then the distance will be very much. And you can see an astronaut can see the complete shape of the earth. The whole earth can be seen from the moon or from space. This is because the moon is at an average distance of 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. So at this distance the whole earth can be seen, and so it can be concluded that the earth is an oblate sphere. So children, we shall stop till here. These are the very important things at the starting of the lesson number 2, that is of our earth. These are very important, and from this we come to know that the earth, how the earth is curved in shape, oblate sphere. So in the next class again, children, will continue with the revision. So children, you study hard, study the questions, read the lesson thoroughly, okay? And also I'll be uploading some homework in the Google Classroom. You please do it and submit it in the assigned date. So children, thank you and have a good day.